Hi, today I am going to share an exclusive feature with you. Recently, I have hired a graphics designer, and the designer designs in his computer, and it gets a very complex process. Not complex, but he has to upload the file on the Google Drive, and then he has to update all the things in Google Sheet so I can see what is done so far actually. And to solve these issues, I have created a form to upload the image that he designed actually on his computer. To do that, I have created a form here. Here you can see the file name and file URL. So you cannot put anything on file URL, but you can edit the file name. No worry, okay. But here you can, he can click here and then select any image. Suppose I'm uploading this image, okay. Just open and yeah, it's getting update, uploading, and yeah, that's boom. And the image name comes here. He can easily change the name here. No worry about the things. Okay. So here, if he submits it, and okay, it's submitted. So where it's going? Okay. So there is an Excel sheet here. Here you can see the image is uploaded here at the name here, and this is the image link, Google Drive link, and this is the image that I have already uploaded, and this is the time when and in which day he has uploaded the image. So all the records are coming in the Google Sheet, and it is uploading on my own Google Drive, okay, in a specific folder. So no issue is happening from any side. I am getting the image on my Google Drive on the specific folder, and I am getting the records on my Google Sheet. So thank you for watching my video, and this is just sharing my ideas, and I have already handled some clients who needs to upload their files actually for their users. They are uploading the files there, and all the things are coming on client's Google Drive. So he is using paid Google account with Gmail, and that's why he is getting 30 GB storage for all the things, and later he can shift the files on another account. And yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching the video.